Happy Saturday! So I wanted to talk about the books I've been reading. Books! Hi guys, happy Saturday. Welcome back to the vlog. I am starting a new vlog today. We're at the lake this weekend and we're just enjoying the sunshine. We woke up and it was rainy and cloudy and I was bummed. But surprisingly, the sun has come out even though the weather channel was like, oh, it's gonna be cloudy. It's confusing. But now we've been up for a while. Emily and Pat are shooting a wedding today, so we've been watching the baby and my parents just took him on a ride around the neighborhood and me and Max are gonna go down to the water. I've been laying out, we got some new lounge chairs outside, so I've been laying out on those this morning a little bit, but I'm gonna go down to the water. I wanna swim, I'm hot, I'm like getting sweaty, but it's a busy day on the lake today. There's a lot of people out. And then maybe we'll take out a boat or something later. Just chowing down. Oh my god, you have mayo all in your beer. All right, we just came in from the water, took a shower, feeling so fresh and clean. You know, it's so nice after you've been outside. Wash your hair, you should feel like a new person. I feel like I got a little bit of color, but not too much. I've been on my game with sunscreen recently, which I think is going to show that just wearing sunscreen, I'm not getting burnt, I'm just getting like a little bit of color. I don't know if that works for everyone, but I've been reading so much, so I wanted to talk about the books I've been reading. First one is, I just finished, called The X Talk. It was pretty good. It wasn't amazing. It was a little bit slow towards the middle, but it was pretty good. And then before that, I read 28 Summers by Ellen Hildebrand. So good. I love all her books. I read People We Meet on Vacation, which is one a lot of people have been talking about. I really liked that. And then I think the last time I talked about them, I talked about the book Maybe You Should Talk to Someone. I read that too, and I really liked that. So I've been like a little reading machine. Oh, I also read The Kiss Quotient. I think it's Quotient. That was really good. A little raunchy, but really good. And then right now I'm reading A Summer Affair by Ellen Hildebrand because it just feels like a good beach read. And I literally read 20% of it today. Chef Max in the building. Ooh, fresh ground pepper, yeah. Mm-hmm. What are you making?
Halal cart food.
What's it actually called?
Halal cart recipe.
You think ours is gonna look like that? Should I be chopping up tomatoes and
yeah,
lettuce?
I'll get it to my guy.
Are you being my mom's pool boy?
Yeah, no, I'll take my top off too.
Okay. Really? Ice cream and some good toppings. Wait, aren't you gonna scoop it for me? I think that's one from Judy Grandpa's house. Going on a morning boat ride because we're getting crabs this afternoon. So, I'm gonna get out in the water early. He's like, I can't turn my head. Can you turn him towards me? Good morning. John, what do you think about the ducks? They're really cute. What do you think about the ducks? What do you think about the ducks? Oh, pointing at them. Good job.
Look at the ducks, yeah.
Getting some crabs at Dixie Joe's. Hey guys, happy Monday. I am sitting here eating an acai bowl. I feel like I have stuck my teeth. These are acai bowls from Costco. They come pre-made, which kind of seems extra, and it kind of is. They're very convenient and they're great for a hot day like today. It's so friggin' hot out. I don't even know what the temperature is. But I've been outside all day. I got up this morning because I had therapy, so I decided to come outside. I have been on a really good kick of reading my Bible in the morning. I'm not like a super religious person, or I haven't always been, but I'm honestly kind of trying to get back into it because the happiest people I know in my life have religion and have faith. So anyway, that's kind of a topic for another day, but I've been coming outside in the morning and sitting at the gazebo and trying to focus on that in the morning before I get on my phone, which is a bad habit I got into, was being on my phone a lot in the morning. Then I had therapy at 9 a.m., which was kind of early, like earlier than I'm used to having therapy, but it was kind of great. It really started my day off on a good foot. And then I just kind of started working because I was already out here with my computer. And so I've been sitting out here all day. I put on this workout outfit. I haven't worked out yet, but I've been like sweating all day, so I'm glad I wore this. I'm wearing the Athleta Conscious Crop, and then these are Airy biker shorts. They're like the offline ones, very comfortable. And honestly, this is the perfect outfit to be sitting outside working all day. I took care of the garden. I realized I have squash beetles in my garden, so maybe today actually, or tonight or something, I'll run over to Home Depot. Actually, I need to Google like what I even need to do for those, but I want to treat everything because I know they'll eat your squash and cucumbers and stuff, and I already have cucumbers growing. I'll actually go over there and film what's growing because I'm very excited about it. But I've already edited one whole video. I did a bunch of like content planning, did a bunch of emails, a lot of good Monday stuff, but I'm feeling very productive, very good. I actually would like to make time today to read. I've been big into reading. I think I already talked about this in this vlog, but I've been reading The Summer Affair. I read more of this yesterday. Oh, and I realized I was gonna just make a weekend vlog, but I kind of stopped filming yesterday. We had crabs, and then we ended up kind of just packing up and going home, but I never finished the vlog, so I figured I'd just take it into another few days. I didn't get that much footage, and I just thought I would vlog a little bit of this week. So I'll probably vlog like maybe today and tomorrow, and then yeah, that'll be kind of it. And then I'm also planning to vlog next weekend because it's 4th of July. So anyway, I'm going to eat the rest of this acai bowl, try to finish up some work for the day. I have another video I want to get started on editing. But yeah, do that, and then maybe do some kind of relaxing. I have some laundry to do. And like I said, I gotta figure out that whole bug in my garden situation. I'm pretty sure they're squash beetles. Pretty sure that's the issue. So anyway, that's the plan for the rest of the day. Okay, I finished all my work. I'm sitting in the garage. I'm going to find, I think, neem oil. I think that will help. And this is insecticidal soap. I don't know. Also have this stuff. I think this might do it too. Lace bugs, beetles, leaf beetles. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm armed and I'm gonna try to take care of these squash beetles. No, but I do wanna show you guys, these are my snapdragons I grew from seed. The garden itself is a little bit of a wild mess, but some of the stuff looks really good. I have a lot of, these are tomato plants, they're doing pretty good. A bunch of lettuce that's doing great. These are so pretty. These are all my snapdragons. There are a bunch of different kinds, and I honestly didn't keep track of which ones are which, so that's okay. And then over here, we have tomatoes, some herbs, more lettuce, zucchini, and then I have cucumber plants on the trellis. And the cucumbers are doing so good. You can see this one here. There's even more starting. There's little guys over here. I don't know if you can see those. And then there's one down there. So lots of good stuff happening. More flowers over here. I'm actually gonna cut some today, I think, and bring them inside. But I don't know if I can find a squash beetle, but I think that's what's doing, you know, this damage. Just these stupid beetles. And I don't see any eggs, which apparently is something that's when it's really bad. I just made these little arrangements. They're not perfect or anything really that crazy, but I'm proud I grew everything on my own. I I think it's actually easier to arrange just all one flower. Like I think it's just easier when you grow your own stuff, but I mixed the hydrangeas and the snapdragons. And then we have this window in our kitchen. It's like a bay window. And the old owners had like a little cushion on it and then had a few orchids in there. And so I've just been like putting plants in there, but truthfully it feels like it just always looks messy, partially because sometimes I forget to water everything in here. And everything gets a lot of sun right here. I'm gonna clean it all off. All right, and it's 5 minutes later, and this is what I landed on. This is a bread bowl from an antique store I got over the winter. These jars are from a little shop in Orange, Virginia, actually. And I'm gonna try propagating these pothos plants. They're doing so well that I think it'd be fun to have some more plants. So I'm gonna try to do that, and then I have 2 succulents. This one my friend Jenna gave me, and it's doing so good. It's so happy getting all of these. I guess, I don't know if these are string of pearls or what, but I'm gonna try to keep her watered, but doing great. So I'm gonna put all of these here and just kind of do this. I feel like it's a little cleaner and more simple, easier to look at, because I obviously have these 2 plants here too. So, and then the flowers on the table. All right, I'm making dinner. I'm making this HelloFresh. I got this one last week actually and didn't have time to cook it, so we're cooking it this week. I'm actually pausing HelloFresh for the next few weeks because we're gonna be in and out of town so much and just have a lot going on. So I just wanted to do I'm just gonna do some at-home simple meals, like probably like pasta, meatballs, and salads. But this one is rosemary demi-glace. I don't know how to say it. Rosemary demi-glace pork chops with mashed potatoes and roasted vegetables. Looks delish. These are the veggies I'm about to put in. They look amazing. And then I'm chopping up these potatoes right now.
Me really feeling happy and fulfilled came to my friendships and relationships with people last year.
Another reason I'm pausing our HelloFresh is because we've been getting a CSA from a local farm. I don't know if everyone knows what a CSA is, but it's community supported agriculture. So basically you pay and then you get a share of what they grow. So I have a full share, which is a lot for 2 people because it's a lot of vegetables. It's awesome. I think it's a great deal. Her name's Kristen and her farm is called Love and Grit if you are local. But you get so much stuff. We get like all this lettuce, all this whatever. The only problem is when you get HelloFresh, then that already comes with vegetables. So I've been, the past like few weeks, I've been getting very creative with how to use the vegetables up because I don't want them to go bad. And it's easier for the things that I can cook, like the vegetables that are like cookable, because I can just add them in. So tonight I had a thing of Swiss chard from last week that we hadn't eaten. And honestly, it didn't look great at this point. It's a little like soggy, a little sad. It was like a little bit wilted, I guess. And I just chopped it up and put it in the sauce. And obviously I'll make the sauce like a little bit thicker and like obviously have green stuff in it. But I feel like a mom like hiding vegetables in their food, even though Max obviously doesn't mind and wants to eat the vegetables too. But I'm like trying to figure out what the best way to use the vegetables up, because it's a lot of stuff that we don't normally buy, which is another great thing. The only thing we've gotten so far that I don't love, and that's nothing to do with the farm, has everything to do with me, is beets. I've tried them. I have more in the fridge, so I'm gonna try cooking them another way, but I just don't love the flavor. But maybe I need to I think I need to put them with other stuff. I think the way people cook beets is, or people eat beets, is they cook them and then they put them in like a salad with like cheese and stuff. I think I need to add cheese. Good morning, you guys. I just ate breakfast and spilled egg down my white shirt, so that's fun. Hi guys, good morning. I was eating my breakfast and I just spilled it down my shirt, so that's fun. It's just egg. But I'm gonna do my journaling and stuff inside today because it's supposed to be 102 today. So that's great. And I'm trying to figure out what the rest of my day looks like. I know I'm going to lunch with my cousin and my sister. She's having a second baby, so we're kind of gonna go and celebrate. And also I need to get a bunch of stuff done this morning. So that's the plan for right now. All right, so it's gonna be so hot today that I decided to do as cool of an outfit as I can. So I did my hair up. It's like still half wet with a headband, and then did these cute earrings. These are from Target. I've been wearing them a lot. And then this dress, I actually have this dress in another color too, but it's just like a long flowy dress. And then I did these sandals. Yeah, it's freaking hot out. I'm sweating just inside the house. Got the gifts. I got a little something for both my cousin and then my friend who just got engaged. So, aren't these so cute? This is like a local shop near us. I used to actually work here and it's adorable.
Basically like a support chat. And
Hi guys, I've been like the world's worst vlogger today, but oopsies. I went to lunch with my cousin Katie and my sister Emily today, which was so fun. We went to our favorite pizza place, like local pizza place, and got some delicious pizza and it was amazing. And then I just came home. I sat on the couch and did some work. Just like uploaded a YouTube video, linked things, had a call with the bride. I actually have another call with the bride tomorrow morning. So anyway, that's fun. And now I'm gonna make some dinner. I think I'm gonna do some, I might go do this. I'm not actually hungry yet, so I might wait to start dinner, but I'm gonna go do some planning for our master bathroom. Maybe I'll do a whole video on that, like when we actually do it, but I'm just in that planning, prepping phase, trying to pick out what we want. Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing, so just trying my best. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I'm actually gonna end this vlog here because there's nothing else interesting happening for the next few days. And then I might start one again on like Thursday because I'm getting my hair done. But I'm definitely gonna start one on Friday because we're gonna be at the lake this weekend. And I'm really trying to vlog more because it's so fun. And honestly, I feel like I finally have stuff to do. Although I keep forgetting to actually bring my camera when I go somewhere just being fun. So I'm gonna get better about that. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching, you guys. I will be back with a new video next Wednesday or Saturday, depending. I'm trying to upload at least every Wednesday, but maybe sometimes on Saturdays too. Fridays or Saturdays. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye, friends.